How to delete your Blinkit account. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily remove it. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the right top, you can see a profile icon. Simply tap on the profile icon. So basically, we're in this profile settings. Here, you'll be able to find different options and settings. Now, slowly scroll down. Here, you'll be able to find a section called Account Privacy. Simply tap on Account Privacy. So this is the place where you can delete your account. Now simply tap on Request to delete account. So after you do this, you must select a reason in order to delete your account. Here I'm tapping on one, and after adding a feedback, you can directly delete your account. Make sure all the credentials and all the information of your account will be gone. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.